How to fix no audio on WhatsApp video call on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve audio issues during WhatsApp video calls on your Android device. First, check your volume and make sure your media volume is turned up by pressing the volume up button on the side of your device during the call. After that, make sure your device is not connected to a Bluetooth headset or speaker that may be routing the audio away from your phone speaker. From there, go to your home screen and long press on the WhatsApp app icon and tap App Info. At this point, tap on Permissions and make sure microphone is set to Allow so the other person can hear you clearly. In the next step, go back and tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data affecting the call audio. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. Once done, open WhatsApp and make a test video call to check if the audio is now working. Finally, if the issue persists, open the Google Play Store and check if a WhatsApp update is available and install it, as audio bugs are often fixed in newer versions. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you fix your video call audio, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.